Have you ever done this? You open ChatGPT and type, "Teach me derivatives so I can pass my calculus exam, please." Then you scroll through one short while waiting, and you finally get a wall of text. You read it twice, and wow, you're even more confused now and still have made no progress studying for your exam. If you have, then this video is for you. Because good news, you're not the problem. It's your prompts. And I'll be teaching you the 4-step prompt formula system you need to generate prompts that actually give you what you want. Here's why this matters. ChatGPT is a mirror. It reflects the clarity of your input. Vague prompts equal vague answers, but a specific prompt equals a laser-focused response. When you learn something general, your brain files it under miscellaneous. But when you learn something tailored to your context, your brain builds stronger neural pathways because it connects to what you already know. Think of it like ordering coffee. Coffee gets you black coffee, but an iced oat milk latte extra shot light ice gets you exactly what you want. The 4-part formula is your custom order system. You're not memorizing prompts anymore, you're generating them on demand for any subject, any assignment, any time. One formula, infinite prompts. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define the role. Start every prompt by telling ChatGPT who it is, not what you want, but who it should become. Here's the format. You are an expert in the subject who specializes in teaching what you want it to teach. AI doesn't have an identity, so you have to create one. When you assign expertise, ChatGPT pulls from higher quality training data related to that domain. It's like switching from a generic assistant to a specialist. For example, you are an expert calculus tutor who explains concepts using real-world analogies. Step 2. Assign the task. Tell ChatGPT exactly what to do. One clear action. You can tell it to generate practice problems, create a study guide, explain this concept, or simulate a practice exam. Why does this work? Because clarity eliminates ambiguity. When you say, "Help me study," ChatGPT just guesses. But when you say, "Create 10 practice problems with solutions," it executes. For example, generate 10 multiple choice questions on solving for derivatives. Step 3. Provide instruction. This is your secret weapon. Give ChatGPT your notes, textbook excerpts, or lecture slides as reference material, so it has higher quality context. For instance, you can say, "Here are my class notes," then you paste the notes. Use this as your reference. ChatGPT now customizes based on your professor's language, your course structure, and your specific curriculum. It's not generic anymore. It's personalized. For example, "Here are my calculus notes on derivatives. Use this as references to generate questions." Now ChatGPT knows who it is, what it needs to do, and what material it can pull from. Finally, step 4. Specify the output format. Tell ChatGPT how you want the information delivered. You can say, "Give me the output as a table, a bullet point, flashcards, a quiz, simplified analogy, or a step-by-step breakdown." Format controls usability. If you're a visual learner, ask for diagrams or tables. If you memorize to repetition, okay, ask for a flashcard format. For example, format the output as Anki-style flashcards with questions on one side and answers on the other. That's it. That's the 4-part system. Role, task, instruction, output. Simple, right? So remember that you are not bad at using AI, you just didn't have the system. Most students think they need to find better prompts, but that's backwards. You need to become a better prompt creator. And now you are. This formula doesn't just work for studying, it works for writing essays, planning projects, debugging code, learning languages, anything. You're not prompt dependent anymore, you're prompt equipped. And your brain just leveled up. Now go build something with it. Drop a comment with the first subject you're going to test this on. And if you want the exact template I use, it's in the description. Now go become a better you.